What happens when you take a Rice Krispie treat but swap out the soft, airy Rice Krispies with the most deadly cereals known to man? We're talking Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Frosted Mini Wheats, Crave, Raisin Bran, Flamin' Hot Cheetos, and the most notorious cereal known to man, Captain Crunch. Once we figure out which of these cereals messes up my mouth the most, we're gonna use this tray right here to make a massive, super sweet, painfully crunchy treat that I will attempt to eat. All right, let's begin. We made a giant test Crispy with 4 sticks of butter, 5 bags of marshmallows, and these 9 cereals. Scratch that, 8 cereals plus Flamin' Hot Cheetos. We're trying to figure out which one tears up my mouth the most. So first up, Crave. Oh, that hurt. Thought that wouldn't be bad either. All right, next up, we're gonna go with the one that I personally think might be the most painful. We're talking Frosted Mini Wheats. That one tastes like a 3. No, good.
Fair enough.
Nah, I don't think that was gonna be bad because it has raisins. It has raisins.
Nothing's changed. Raisin Bran still sucks. Alright, Reese's Puffs. I'm not expecting too much pain. They're round. I'll stop talking. Here we go. Bring the mic in a little closer. This one's the biggest letdown. This is the biggest letdown. You know, like the milk brings the flavor out of some cereals? That's the lacking in this. All right, let's follow up with some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We even dusted this with some cinnamon toast, whatever. Oh, this one looks good. Oh my God.
This might be the inaccurate Rice Krispie treat.
Okay, no, guess not be. Flavor, 10 out of 10.
Yo, that mic is insane.
I don't know what it is, but it just tastes like eating sand. All right, 3 cereals left. Fruit Loops, Captain Crunch, and Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Oh, not doing anything for me. It's falling apart. Oh my, this looks like hell. This looks like it's straight out of like a gore film. Ugh. I'm so conflicted. Ugh. All right, last but not least, Captain Crunch. So we settled on Captain Crunch and Flamin' Hot Cheetos, half-half. Another 4 sticks of butter and 5 bags of marshmallows. That's 8,000 calories before we even add the cereal.
Why marshmallows? I don't get it.
That looks so gross. All right, first up, Flamin' Hot Cheeto Rice Krispie treat. Trust me, Gray, you don't want this. Half Hot Cheetos, half Captain Crunch.
Thanks for the follow.
Behold, the most painful, most miserable, the worst Rice Krispie treat ever made. Oh my God.
Well, why does he add marshmallow though? Marshmallow should taste nasty.
It's stuck.
Hey, I ought to be smiling hella hard too, man. That's a thumbnail right there.
I didn't get the bite out of it. All right, we're gonna take what I got right there and turn it into a thumbnail.
You ready?
How long am I gonna eat this? I count it down.
3, 2, 1, go. Oops.
Can you hear the crunching?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Motherfucker.
That's why I like to revise my estimates.
Bro.
Right. Does that help?
It's not even dense.
I'm desperate.
Oh my god. That sounds like you chipped a tooth or something.
I think I'm good. Oh, 7 minutes.
I think adding the marshmallow, I don't know why he does that. I don't know why. Why is it necessary? Like, I think it just makes it more harder. Pause.
We're about a quarter way there. Halfway through the Captain Crunch. Oh. Okay, we're gonna take a break on the Captain. We're gonna move over to the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Oh. Cheers, everybody.
Because you're eating the marshmallow.
Right now, I'm just trying my best to avoid my upper palate. Like right in the middle between the two upper teeth in the back. And every time something hits it, it's like, it just hurts. Oh, God. No, I wonder. Okay, a technique, the little things like this stuff in the back of my mouth. Good try it. That might be the way. I think I have a little technique. I can't tell if it's making me faster or not. It does feel better. Shoving it in the back of my cheek and chewing it.
I ain't gonna lie. For him being a professional eater, he is doing kind of slow. Like, I don't know. I just feel like I would do a lot. I say if I was 17 minutes in, I probably would be doing better. Maybe it is the world's crunchiest crispy then. If he's taking this long.
Oh my God. Why is it so gooey? Mmm.
All that marshmallow.
Oh, I got me right in the gum. Oh. Such a rock. My mouth is entirely raw. My mouth is on fire. I got Toucan Sam, the leprechaun they're all staring at me, laughing at me. Mm. Oh. Mm. Alright guys, well we had to cut it. The card got, I don't know where to stop recording, but card got filled up. We had to pause and scramble to find another SD card, and it's been about 5 minutes. We paused the timer, but I hate to call it quits, but to all the haters out there. I concrete for 40 minutes.
A literal brick.
Damn, I've never seen this man quit. That's tough. That's tough.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this food challenge. Merry Christmas.